Here's another example of what I like to, the electrical effects on stone formation. Instead of the atypical volcanism that is claimed to do all this, hot fluids seeping through cracks, in the hollows, forming these stones. But, you know, how does it, how does this occur, where you can clearly see these little white lines, which look like, a standing, like electric field, that's defined in the stone and the separation of materials. Like here's the original parent rock, and the separation of materials, and then there's always these white boundaries, Um, you know, they don't go this way. Here's a really beautiful view of this. See, like just these roiling, Y-shaped and branching electric current pathways, and it's really amazing. Here's the Gaussian. We clearly see, the separation, the white, all the material, all the metallic material has been separated over here. Here's material that's halfway done, and then the original um, hematites, and you can see how separated boundary line, just like here. Here's the, you know, there's the white boundary hematite, you know. Um, not all the stones are like this. Some stones are clear, naturally clear. Here's an example in what they call field stones, the most valuable type of rock in the world. This is a white version of that, but in this stone you can clearly see. Let's see if I can zoom in. Also, this roiling magnetic field in the stone. You can see the current flowing that way, and then off this branch you can see the really wispy. You can see these really wispy lines perpendicular, moving perpendicular from this main branch. This particular stone is known for those perpendicular branching, which causes cracks, and that's how the stone winds up turning yellow over a period of time from the iron oxides in the water, acidic water. Here you can see the white lines again, how they, this is evidence of electric field, in creation of the stone. A lot of these stones were, some of them are classified as travertine limestone, stetite, dictite, nacrite, amalgamite, pyrophyllite, basically classified as talc stones or soapstones. These have a tendency to be much harder, 3.5 in the Mohs scale, whereas like regular soapstone, talc stone is like around 1.5 to 2. That's what gives these stones this beautiful quality and allows them to be carved to extreme detail. Is that medium hardness, What was the other stone? Yeah, I wanted to get back to the stone from a previous video. I don't know if I can see it. I really want to show off these spidery white lines that you can see, just a hint of little short white lines. They connect every one of these, the black sphericals or the brown sphericals within the stone, because the body of the stone is actually clear. My camera's not focusing for some reason. I think it might be the light here. I'm trying to press the stone to get it to focus. When moron I can be sometimes. But yeah, I think here we can see those little white lines connecting all the little sphericals. Here you can see the sphericals. They're brown Whereas in this stone here, let me get them out. In this stone, they're red, you know. And again, there you go. I'm bleeding more, you know. You know, there's going to come a time when all our science is going to be reevaluated to include electrical effects on everything, you know. And the sun is not a fusion reactor; it's a giant fucking arc lamp. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, I'll have my Twitter link. I don't have a G Plus account. I don't need a G Plus account. I don't need Google following me every step of my life so they can sell my name and my behavioral profile to some company. You know, how dare they? You know, and a lot of people submit themselves to that, but I don't want to. You know, all it's harmless. But you can see the sphericals, beautiful, beautiful stone. The top is like candy. It looks like a light yellow candy. It's really lovely. The carving is really excellent. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, questions, comments, you can call me a fucking boob if you want. I don't care, that's your right. You know, I don't censor. I don't need to censor, you know. Free thought, free exchange. You know, you can be a boob too. Well, I hope you enjoyed this boob tube video, and, you know, let me know what you think. Take care.